Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sidharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. In this video, I am going to combine some important concepts of what is the secret which Andrew Carnegie told to Napoleon Hill, and combining that secret with T. Harv's law of manifestation process and that system with Bob Proctor's stick person concept. All of this is going to be combined in this particular video, and at the end of the video I am going to give you a technology how you can apply this secret to achieve the goal which you want to achieve in your life. So Andrew Carnegie mentioned to Napoleon Hill that any idea which is held in the mind, that's emphasized, which is either feared or revered, will immediately begin to clothe itself in the most convenient and appropriate form available. Now there are very important words in this. He is saying that any idea which is held in the mind, which is emphasized, not just held but emphasized with concentration, which is either feared or revered, either you love it or you have fear of it, that idea will immediately begin to clothe itself in your physical reality in the most convenient and appropriate form available. So that's what Andrew Carnegie told to Napoleon Hill. Now let's combine this concept with T. Harv Eker's concept of the law of manifestation. So let's say if you want a result in your life, let's say this is the X amount of money which you want in your bank, maybe the results which you want, maybe in terms of relationships, maybe in your health, whatever it is, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. So you start off with a particular result, and with that result there are these 3 steps which are behind this particular results to manifest in your reality. The first and the most primary, the root cause is your thought process. You see, thoughts are things. Thought is the most potent form of energy, and every thought is a form of energy. So any starting point of an idea is nothing but a thought process. So whatever which you want in your life, the starting point of this law of manifestation is your thought process. Now, thoughts alone are going to be difficult to get the results which you want in your life. So these thoughts have to be emotionalized with feelings. You see, ordinary thought has got power, but if you put an emotion or a feeling to that particular thought, the thought's power is amplified. It's like magnified. It's on steroids. It's going on expressway. It has got much more power to manifest in the reality at a much faster rate. But understand this. This is a double-edged sword. So either your thoughts could be good or bad. Your feelings could be good or bad. Why do you feel that sometimes this thing which we fear, oh, this thing should never happen in my life, the same thing happens? Because people attach that particular thought with a very strong emotion of fear, and that's what exactly manifests in their life. So this is a double-edged sword. You got to be very, very careful what kind of emotions which you're going to put across on your thought process. So that's the 2 first starting points of this law of manifestation: thoughts and your feelings. Now sometimes people go to motivational programs, they attend 2-hour motivational webinars, or they go to maybe some seminars, and they say, no, I've got intentions, I am motivated, now I should get the results. No. In case if you feel this is enough, no. The third step, which is the actions, is the most important crucial step which is going to manifest the results which you want in your life. Now there are these 2 qualities which you need to have in your actions. The actions should be massive actions, and the second quality is that these actions should be consistent. You should be persistent about these particular actions, and if you follow this 4-step process, this is the law of manifestation, that your thoughts determine your feelings will determine the actions, and your actions ultimately are going to determine the results which you want in your life. Now it's a simple process. There is no rocket science over here. And we know this. Many channels, YouTube channels, many videos, many programs, you must have understood this particular concept. But still people struggle in implementing this. Why? Well, this next slide will make it clear. So observe over here. You see, on one side, You have got this result. Let's say, oh, I've got only so much of money in the bank. They look at their bank balance on their phone, or maybe their bank statement on their passbook, or maybe on net banking, and oh, I've got only so much of money in the bank, so many further days to go in the month. What's happening? They are making the effect as their cause, the result as their cause. So it's a cycle. Whatever is your cause, the same effects are going to come again. So they are trapped in a vicious cycle, and they don't even realize they are trapped. They are making the effect as their cause. They are making the result as their cause. You got to change the process. The process is like this. Thought is the starting point. The result which you see with your five senses, it is an effect. But people reverse this law, and they get the same things again and again, again and again, again and again. Well, that's where your paradigm needs to be shifted. That's where your mindset needs to be shifted. That you got to believe that we become what we think about. And when you start to believe that, not intellectually, but emotionally, you get connected to this thought that we become what we think about. That's where you start to shift your paradigm, and you start to get the results which you want in your life. Now, this is what we learned in Harv Eker's programs of the law of manifestation, that thoughts, feelings, actions produce results. Now, Bob Proctor has a separate technology of making this understand, and he uses this concept of the stick person. So what he says in the stick person concept is that the bigger circle represents your entire mind. The smaller circle represents your body. You divide the bigger circle into two halves. The top half is your conscious mind, and the bottom half is your subconscious mind. Now understand this, what is he trying to say? Whatever action which you're going to take through your body, the same actions are going to produce the results which you want in your life, which is the star. So I am going to divide this stick person into these four elements. The first part is your conscious mind, the second part is your subconscious mind, the third part is your body, and the fourth part is the result which you want in your life. Now I am going to merge Harv Eker's concept of law of manifestation with Bob Proctor's stick person concept, so that in simplified way you get this law of attraction and law of manifestation sorted once and for all. So understand this: thoughts, feelings, actions, results merged with the stick person concept looks like India. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.